Hey guys, and welcome back to Learn How to Dance, where you can find step-by-step tutorial of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, Fortnite dances, and other awesome dances. Okay, the first thing I'm going to show you is how to do the tornado move, which is this one. Boom. Hey. Alright, now I'm going to do 3 exercises. First thing we're going to practice is the right arm. What is that doing? And then we're going to do the upper body, and then we're going to add the left arm at the end. Alright, so your right arm is saying prep up here, then you want to swing it to the left shoulder, and then you want to swing it back out, around, behind your head, over your head. Notice how my elbow here is going up. Alright, so let's just practice that. We're going to go prep, swing left, back around, over your head. Let's just do that. We want to go and whoom and whoom. And just show it from the side. What I'm going to do is say prep, swing around here. Alright, let's just try that. I'm going to go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're going to practice. 5, 6, 7, 8, and whoom around over your head. Let's just try one last time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and whoom and up. Now, once you can do whoom and up, from here you just want to continue this movement here. It goes down, and then you want to go back up and grab here your throat. Alright? So, this was whoom, whoom, continue down, and then go back up, whoom. Alright? Let's just try that. We're gonna go and whoom, over, down, up. 5, 6, 7, 8, and whoom, around, up, down, up. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, and whoom, and over, down, up. Just practice on your own a few times if you need to. Now, let me just show it from the side. So from the side, it's gonna be like this. Prep, swing, around, over my head, down, up. Now, it will look much better if you incorporate your upper body here as well, right? So you do whoom, whoom, whoom. Alright? So basically what the upper body is doing is just rotating here from side to side, yeah? Looking at my right corner, left corner, right corner, left corner. Alright? So if we do this as well, swing the arms, we're gonna go look at your right corner, prep. When you swing, you look at your left corner, and then when you swing back, you go back to your right, here, over, around, down, and then when it comes back up, you want to rotate to your left. Alright, let me just show you one last time. You want to do your right, left, right, left. Again, feel free to practice on your own if you need to. Once you can do it, now we want to add the left arm. Left arm is basically just saying up, down. Pretty simple, right? Now you want to just make sure it goes up and down at the right time, alright? So you say prep here, swing, when you turn it around and over your head, as soon as you're up here, you want to start bringing your left up. Boom. Always goes opposite, and then opposite again. When this right comes up, the left goes down. Alright, let me just show you again slow. Right says swing, back up, around, up, start, whoom, and then again, whoom. Alright, so practice with me one last time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and whoom, around, opposite, opposite. I think an important thing to mention is also the timing. So what you want to do is say slow and fast, fast, slow. Alright? So slow and fast, fast, slow. Alright guys, that's it for this dance tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.